finally.
How are you doing?
I'm good. I was sleeping. I was resting for a while.
भाई
You're
अब तो
looking so
यही
young
काम है
and fresh.
हमारा.
Which garden are you sitting in? I want to know.
ये मेरा दिल का गार्डन है.
Oh.
दिल बाग बाग हो गया तुझे देखकर. बाय गॉश.
Hi. And my smile. अब now that you're
मैं ना
talking, एक करके सारी चीजों की तारीफ करवाती हूँ.
करवाना सच में सीरियसली. मैं तो आई एम तो अमेज कि मतलब जो एकदम झल्ली थी लड़की, ओके, वो अब ऐसी मतलब डॉल, लिटरली डॉल यू बिकम. All your posts, your pictures, really so so beautifully looking.
Hi. Thank you.
But still, I love the old Rashmi.
Thank you. I'm still the old Rashmi for sure.
I know that.
With you.
तू कांताबाई बनी कि नहीं?
कौन से?
घर का काम कर रही है?
मत पूछो यार, मत पूछो. कांताबाई तो बनी, एंटरटेनमेंट भी बन रही हूँ. और अब तो ना मैं ऐसे सोच रही हूँ क्या है, घर में जो सारी औरतें हैं उनको तो सैल्यूट करना चाहिए. एक खत्म नहीं होता दूसरा चालू हो जाता है उनका यार.
भाई तेरा आज वैसा ही कुछ था. एक खत्म नहीं हुआ चैट के दूसरा शुरू हो गया.
आज मैंने छुट्टी ली थी घर के काम से. My mom said, "Where are you going?" I said, "I have a lot of work. I have to go. I have to have off accounts. इस अकाउंट से फिर दूसरे अकाउंट से तीसरे अकाउंट.
I have to go to my room. हाँ, हॉल से रूम, रूम से हॉल, हॉल से वापस दूसरा रूम, तीसरा रूम.
ये भी हो चुका है हमारे घर में. मम्मी पूछती कहाँ जा रही है. My brother's niece, she's very much interested. You know how kids are. Where are you going? I said, I'm just going here नाके पे, बेडरूम के पास जाके आती हूँ मैं.
बेडरूम के नाके पे. Oh man, really, मतलब ऐसे मतलब पक गए लोग. But you know what? But it's good to see you go live and just interact with your fans and everybody. Really good. That's important.
But
ये
I'm
हमारी
doing a lot of
जिम्मेदारी है.
things because of this video calls and everything. A lot of things are easily available. I'm being very honest.
That is true. Yeah. Hey, please speak about what is this new thing that is coming up with RD.
RD show, yeah. So basically, I'm coming up with a lot of people, a lot of fans of mine. They asked me about how I started. They wanted to know that how I started my career and all. So I also have a lot of questions to ask and to connect with a lot of people, like people I don't know, and I really want to connect with them. I want to know that how they started their journey, and just a little bit chit chat from very different field. Since I'm not doing anything during quarantine, rather than getting trolled, I think I should get something. I should get
screw the people. Yeah, screw the people who troll. Genuinely.
Yeah, so I really wanted to do something, so now I'm doing it because I know that once the quarantine start, show शुरू हो जाएगा.
Yeah, that's true. I know that is true. Yeah. Or like मेरे 21 questions will not look like questions. It's just one weaves into the other. It's going to be fun. So starting with what you just said right now is amazing. That you want to connect with people. You want to know how did they start their journey. Yeah. How was your Big Boss experience from one Big Bossy to the other?
Oh my God, I should ask you. I know that yours is also not very easy at all.
Yeah.
Mine was super.
No, but I've got it. Yeah.
Tufani dhamal wala. Yeah, but yeah, staying inside the house is definitely not easy.
Yeah. मुझे एक बात बता. So I know I've been through it. Do you feel कि ऐसी कोई चीज तुझे नहीं दिखानी थी और वो निकल गई? मेरे साथ हुआ ऐसा. अपने एटीट्यूड, अपने नेचर के बारे में.
सबके साथ ऐसा हो जाता है. Unknowingly, you get into certain situation and you think that you really don't want to do certain things. You really feel that I shouldn't have, and then there are certain कि मैं अपने बोलने का मैं बोलने पे बहुत समझदारी से बात करने की कोशिश करती हूँ. Not that I'm trying to keep everyone happy, not that I want to be the best, or not that I am trying to be something, but I have something, some control over on my thoughts, over on my tongue, over on my gesture. I would like to keep it because that's by my choice. And people used to feel that sugar coated बोल देते थे. एक बार ऐसा गुस्सा आ गया था, then I said lot of things, and then I used to feel that no, Rashmi yaar.
But you know what, Rashmi,
yeah.
But I've known you, okay, man. I know you are Mufat. मुझे पता है. One second, ना. मुझे पता है कि तू है ना You don't take shit from anybody. I know. But yeah, this side where you would abuse, you would go like, you know, all out. This was the first time even I saw you. So मेरे लिए भी it was, because even though I know you so well, I know Shukla, I don't know him well, but I know him. So you know, because you worked with people. Okay, तेरे साथ मैंने ज़्यादा काम नहीं किया, but I've known you personally. So you kind of know nature. लेकिन this house, it just brings out another side of
I
you.
wanted to say that only, that you know, you try and control, but how much are you going to control? The one point people start triggering that, somewhere you're going to lose yourself and you are going to come out. That, और मैं तो मुंह पे बोलती हूँ भाई, मैं आज की नारी हूँ. When it comes to myself, when it comes to my people, when it comes to my world, I will save it and I will stand there by like a shield. I'm going to stand. Do whatever you want. I don't care. And I have.
ऐसा कुछ है where ऐसा कुछ है where you feel after coming out of the house कि I wish I would have done that. एक ऐसी चीज मैं करती तो मतलब it would have been fine.
No, I think patience is the best thing I have learned. Though I have a lot of patience, but इस घर में patience रख पाना इतना, वरना मैं भी बहुत.
Oh, tell me about it, man. Seriously.
मार देना ये सब करते हैं, और मुझसे भी हो जाता, but luckily नहीं किया. I think बच गई.
I swear. मुझे मैं भी ना थोड़े दिन पहले श्रीशांत से बात कर रहा था. Okay, जो मेरे सीजन में था, श्रीशांत, and I was saying कि तुझे और मुझे ये वाले सीजन में होना चाहिए था. By God, कपड़े फटवा के हम लोग बाहर आते. Seriously, it would have been crazy.
When it comes to a comment, it's very easy sometimes. I know you're a friend, but I'm being very honest. But certain situation will put you into वो over dramatic situation आपको ऐसे डाल देती है ना कि you yourself can't connect with yourself. आप अपने आप को देते हो, आप खो देते हो.
No, really. Yeah, no, absolutely, man. Yeah, and I think इस साल का वो था, क्या कहते हैं ना, the main bone of contention or the main क्या बोलते हैं ना, मुद्दा was to just fight for, मतलब literally abuse and fight. Really, it was too much, man. It was too much. मैं सच्ची मतलब ये मेरी.
Yeah, this year it was like that, but मुझे कोई टॉपिक्स नहीं समझ आते थे, but मैं भी करती थी जानबूझ के ऐसे मस्ती करने के लिए, because there was no.
But ठीक है. And no, absolutely. Sometimes you have to.
कभी-कभी आप अपना टाइम पास कर लेते हो, and that वो बाहर अलग तरीके से दिखता है. But you can't keep giving explanation to the people who don't know. But
and you do not have to. Seriously, you don't have to. You did great, fine. You know, लोगों को जो बोलना है बोलने दो, लोगों जो फील करना करने दो, अपना सही हुआ है भाई. Seriously, मुझे एक बात बताओ. Okay, so चलो ये तो हुई हमारी बिग बॉस की बात है. Now tell me, आप घर पे अभी फिलहाल बगैर जो आप काम धाम कर रही हो, जो आप झाड़ू पोछे कर रहे हो, उसके अलावा what are you doing?
I'm trying to cook things which I've never done. मैं बिल्कुल रसोई वाली लड़की नहीं हूँ. तो my mom is teaching me घर की थोड़ी ऐसी पुरानी डिशें बनाती थी. बहुत कॉमन है, बट वो पता नहीं है उसमें क्या अलग है, सो वो थोड़ा बहुत सिखा रही है. एंड
वो ऐसा कौन सा खाना जो अभी बना रही हो? What dish have you learned?
I'm trying to learn देसाई वड़ा. मुझे डोसा ऐसे प्लेट पे वो करने नहीं आता. फिर देसाई पूड़ा मैंने बनाए हैं. तो
अपनी कोई गुजराती थालियां बनाई है तूने? ढोकला, मांडवी, घाटिया, ऐसा कुछ?
ना, ये सब मैंने नहीं बनाया है.
ये सबसे इजी है.
अरे नो, खांडवी टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम. उसको इतना मिक्स करना पड़ता है, फिर उसको बनाओ और वो सब डालो. I want to make this caramel custard.
Don't do this, Rashmi. Don't do this.
I saw your expression, and I'm going to do that. I'll put it, and I'll tag you also on that.
You know how difficult it is to stay fit in this time?
What?
You know how difficult it is to stay fit at this time?
Yeah, I know, but I'm working out also. मैंने ये 100 days.
अरे साला कुछ काम नहीं आ रहा है, सच में मैं बोलूँ, कुछ काम नहीं आ रहा है.
मैं तो कर रही हूँ. मैं पानी भी पी रही हूँ, और मुझे मेडिटेशन भी मैं करती हूँ. I'm sure you must be knowing you follow Gurudev a lot.
Of course I do, man. I did.
7 o'clock मेरे टाइम फिक्स होते हैं उनके साथ. फिर शाम को थोड़ी देर
Oh,
मॉम के साथ बैठती हूँ, खाना खाती हूँ, फिर वापस वही बर्तन करने के टाइम आ जाते हैं तो बर्तन करती हूँ. बीच में मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम ऑल्टरनेट डेज मिलता है तो I'm learning guitar little bit.
Oh, really?
How are the babies?
Okay. Babies are good. They're chilling. बड़ी दिन कैसे निकल जाते हैं पता ही नहीं चलता है.
Yeah, I know.
Because we are entertaining the babies all the time.
Yeah,
All
and
the time.
बेबी का आइसक्रीम पार्लर कैसा है?
Ice cream, have ice cream, ice cream. They've got a new kitchen now. By the way, आपको आना पड़ेगा. They've
Oh,
opened
wow.
up a new kitchen. It's
क्या
a new
खिलाते हैं
restaurant.
वो लोग?
They have the new cafe. Juices हैं, फिर ice creams हैं, toast हैं, bread है. But big damn good stuff. खुद का कैफे खुल गया है.
यार
मेरे को काम करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
पड़ेगा, टीचर को बोलना पड़ेगा.
अरे
इतना सब
अरे
सिखा रही है वो.
भाई, मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ कि ये क्वारंटीन के बाद काम वाम छोड़ दूं, उनको धंधे पे लगा दो. हाँ, अपना किचन खोलो. हाँ, अपना किचन खोलो, रेस्टोरेंट के पैसे में लगाता हूँ. रेस्टोरेंट खोलो और कमाओ.
But your kids are genuinely, they're funny and they're very, very cute. Yeah, very, very cute.
They're
and
funny, man. They're really funny.
Very, yeah. And पता नहीं, मुझे बहुत
God's
मैं
grace,
चली
man,
जाती
God's
हूँ.
grace.
बच्चे की बात आती है तो मेरी गाड़ी निकल जाती है.
No, but they miss
See
you.
my kid.
After this, you have to come home.
See my kid.
ओए, what a cuteness. कैसे लेजी की तरह सुता है यार.
मैं अभी चल के आया है.
Wow.
भाई साहब ने वॉक किया है. So now वो मेरे पास आया है और मुझे बोल रहा है कि प्यार करो मुझे.
भाई कितना प्यार है. क्या नाम क्या है इसे?
Oreo.
Cutie.
Yes, yes. And his haircut is also very, very cute. Oh my god.
तो मारवाड़ी में ओरियो का मतलब है ये रहा. ओरियो.
Oreo. अरे हम लोग में भी होता है Oreo.
Oreo, हाँ.
Means Oreo is
Yeah.
So what are you doing on your quarantine time? I really want to know this. Tell me, no.
Sorry, 21 questions are going to be on you. अभी तक खत्म ही नहीं हुआ यार. पहले खत्म तो करने थे पहले. कितने अच्छे क्वेश्चन है मेरे पास. मुझे एक चीज बताओ. वन थिंग, भले तुमने 4.5 महीने गुजारे बिग बॉस में, लेकिन ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो लोग रश्मि देसाई के बारे में नहीं जानते?
That I sing, I smile also, and I help other people a lot. And people
No, that you do.
used to be very sad and
No.
used to feel very
No,
bad
screws.
and fight with me, but I used to go and be there for them. So yeah.
Oh, shit, you know what? Right now, one second, Rashmi.
Yeah.
Fuck, this is exactly ऐसे ही मेरे को डेजा वू हो रहा है.
कैसे?
मुझे ऐसा सपना है. I swear, I'm telling you right now, as you just said this line, no, कि मैं लोगों की हेल्प करती हूँ, मैं I smile, I'm there for people, and exact how we are talking right now, up and down, we were talking face to face, and you were telling the same thing to me.
So I'm there with you.
That's crazy, man.
Isn't it?
मेरे
It's
सपनों
fun.
में भी है.
It's awesome.
This is really amazing. Okay, then we were coming back to it, but I just kind of suddenly got a deja vu.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really weird. अच्छा, नहीं, tell me one thing. I mean, these we all know that you do.
आई होगी, पैर पैर में लटक गई होगी, ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है.
भाई, तक्षक नरेश मैं भी हूँ, हाँ, ये भूलना मत. Okay, मैं भी एक इच्छाधारी नाग हूँ.
मैं भूल गई. नागमणि का है, जरा बता दो. बहुत स्ट्रगल चल रही है वहाँ पे.
नागमणि का आजकल कोई काम ही नहीं है बेसिकली.
अरे हमारे यहाँ सब नागमणि इधर अटकी हुई है, तो मेरे पति के सर में अटकी हुई है नागमणि. So we both are trying to take it.
Wait, you know what? It must be somewhere here. मैंने मेरे सीजन की नागमणि चुरा ली, पता है?
हाँ.
मेरे घर पे वो जो कांच का जो है ना वो मणि. हाँ. So it was like a memento. You know, I thought after leaving Nagin, I want to keep it as a memento, as a token, you know, of remembrance. तो नागमणि मैंने रख ली. तो वहां पर बड़े सब लोग बोले अरे नहीं लेके जाओ, मैं बोला मैं लेके जा रहा हूँ, ये मैं, तुम चोरी समझो, तुम डाका हो, कुछ भी समझो, मैं लेके जा रहा हूँ, एंड द नागमणि स्टिल विथ मी.
Sure.
वाओ मैन, इट्स ब्यूटीफुल. तो तू भी ऐसे करना, इट्स लाइक आई थिंक इधर ही करोगे, ढूंढना पड़ेगा कहाँ रखी है मैंने. टी, डू यू नो वेयर इज द नागमणि?
I love the question you asked.
वो ढूंढना पड़ेगा यार मुझे. एक्चुअली आई विल फाइंड इट एंड आई सेंड यू अ
Oh,
पिक्चर.
that's
आई
okay.
पोस्ट इट
Please,
एक्चुअली.
yeah, post it.
या आई
I'll do click. We'll come to your house only. No, that's more convenient.
this is much better. This is seriously much better. All right. So tell me one thing. What is Rashmi Desai's superpower?
My superpower is I have a lot of hopes, and that keeps me going.
Wow, that's interesting. And
what are there? I think yes, I do take care when I'm talking, and people takes it as a sugar coat. But I feel that it's better to talk when you're talking. When you know what you're talking is more important. And ऐसे सिर्फ बोलने के लिए बहुत सारी बातें हम तो कर देते हैं दिन में. But when it comes to people, जैसे मैं आपसे कभी ऐसी कोई बात करूँ तो मुझे बहुत क्लैरिटी के साथ बात करनी होती है.
wait one second, please say hi to Vienna.
God. Who's this little girl?
Say hi. Say hi. Sweetie.
Come here.
1 second, come here.
Come here.
Come here. So can you go connect? It's not connecting only, so I haven't. I'm just asking what I'm asking. Just go in and connect it. I already said it. Yes. Okay. What are you watching these days?
She, I've started on with She, Netflix पे. It's
Which one?
Really nice. She, SHE, on Netflix.
She. You have to watch Money Heist. आज ही रिलीज हुआ है.
Money Heist.
अरे रश्मि तू पागल हो जाएगी. पागल हो जाएगी. मतलब तू अगर एक बार स्टार्ट कर लेगी ना, तुझे रखने का मन नहीं. मतलब तू यू विल कॉल मी सेइंग केबी, यू विल थैंक मी.
You have no idea. The same thing has happened with me with the She. But how many is this? A season
Really?
1 Money Heist?
So Money Heist 3 seasons have finished. This is the 4th season that has come today.
Okay, so I have to finish first 3.
So we will watch TJ and we'll watch She.
Yeah, it's a really good series, and I really love the girl, that constable girl. You should see the way she has acted, boss.
No, I'm gonna see this seriously.
Yeah, you can
Okay,
see the
what is your best?
personality.
What was your best moment in the house?
What was my best moment in the house? I think जब देवलीना आई थी वापस as my connection. I really loved her, and I had that thing. उससे भी best जब मेरे भाई के बच्चे आए थे, भव्या and Swasti.
That's right, I remember that one,
was
man.
the
That was
golden
beautiful.
moment, I would say. And
That was beautiful, really.
Yeah.
What scares you the most?
What scares me the most?
You know, you're a self-made woman. You know, you've seen life's ups and downs. I've known you, and things haven't been easy for you. You know, really, things haven't been easy.
I used to get scared of humans earlier, and I still get scared of emotions now.
So I'll keep you. आपको क्या हमेशा ऐसे ही cocooned रहेगा? You won't leave your heart on your sleeve?
No, like I said, that I'm the girl who has a lot of hopes inside, and courage also is there. So I will never give up on certain things. I'll not be the same person, definitely, because when you invest something doesn't work for you, and then you want to look for another thing. I really want to do my karma. I really have big plans for myself. I want to work on myself. Want to work towards my dream if it has to happen. certain things, सब कुछ आपका नसीब में नहीं डालता है भगवान बोलता है earn it. So let's see. जैसे मेरे सपने हैं वो पूरे होने हैं, वैसे धीरे धीरे हो जाएंगे. But I'm
You worked
grateful
hard,
for
you
whatever
worked
I
really, really
have.
hard, and whatever you've dreamed of, I know you have achieved it. And that's the best part ki when things don't come easily to you, but when they do come, no, उनकी value ज़्यादा आपको, उनकी अहमियत आपको ज़्यादा होती है.
Yes.
And it has been with you also like this.
Yeah.
Seriously.
Even with you.
Really,
Yes. Nothing
no,
comes
no,
to
absolutely,
easy.
absolutely. Nothing comes easy. And वो हमें value पता होती है, that's why somewhere we are so grounded, somewhere, we don't take things for granted.
Yeah.
कि
Very
ना
true.
हम लोग है ना वो golden spoons पे बड़े नहीं हुए हैं.
बहुत स्ट्रगल, इसी के लिए ना कोई हिला भी नहीं सकता ना, जिनकी बुनियाद ही इतनी
No
कामयाबी
chance.
से बनी हो,
Absolutely.
उनकी ऊंचाई वो खुद तय करते हैं.
Absolutely, absolutely, man. So true, so true. क्या बात है यार, तूने मुझे थोड़ा ना, मुझे भी सोच में डाल दिया तूने.
Self-made man, yeah, I know. बहुत easily नहीं मिला है. And then such a beautiful way you put up things, the way you talk, even your wife, TJ, so positive when जब आप दोनों से बात होती है, such a non-judgmental couple and gives so much warmth and love, even if you don't know the person. So that is a beauty, that is actually art. Not everyone's सब नहीं कर सकते यार.
क्या पता कहाँ से, but we always see the good side in people, always have.
Yeah, one should see it.
Because really जिस दौर से हम लोग गुजर रहे हैं, you never know, man, what happens in life, seriously. So like I had a big tiff in the Big Boss house with Shrishant, big time, okay. We didn't speak, लेकिन हम में इतनी वो क्या कहते हैं ना, एक maturity थी, या इतनी एक वो, probably the value system is that we let things go and we moved ahead, and we may not be the best of friends today, but we know we are cordial with each other. We speak on birthdays, on moments, and I really like that about both of us. कि ऐसे टाइम में आप grudges रखो, आप लोग आपके बारे में सोचे, आप उनके बारे में गंदा सोचो, कहाँ वक्त है? Where is the time? Look what is happening
But
around
see,
us.
I know you personally. I know a little bit Shrishant also. You both are individually such a strong personality with such a strong point of views and your mindset. You guys you both have a power to heal people individually. So it's fine. And जब कहते हैं ना कि एक रास्ता जब इतना डिफिकल्ट चलता है, अंधेरा आता है, बारिश आती है, तूफान आता है, लेकिन अंत में आपको सब अच्छा मिलता है. तो कहते हैं अंत भला सब भला.
मैंने ना मैं कल रात को मेरे दोस्त से बात कर रहा था. He lost his father day before yesterday. Yeah, his name is Happy. He stays in Vancouver. तो उसने एक बहुत बढ़िया बात कही थी कि मेरे बाप ने ना मुझे एक चीज बताई थी. In life, the day you give up, that day you have died.
Then I must say my mother is a rockstar boss.
कसम से मुझे ये बात ऐसी एकदम लग गई ना. That is so true, man. In life, we can never give up. Problems किसके जिंदगी में नहीं आई. Everybody's faced it. And you also have that same never give up attitude, man. Mwah. Acha, chalo, on a lighter note, okay, if there was one dead celebrity, agar tum milna chahti ho, one dead celebrity, if you would want to meet, who would it be?
One dead celebrity. Guru Dutt and Sridevi.
Guru Dutt, my ultimate favorite. Or seriously, तूने भी ना, you would fit so well in a Guru Dutt film.
Yeah, and Sridevi also.
Sridevi है चुलबुली, तो है ही वैसी cute सी भी है.
Yeah.
But my God,
फूल और कांटे goes with one person is one of her like this. She's so beautiful. She will never show what is inside her, but she used to be there, prim proper, so professional, so humble, grounded, very sweet, and I really loved her. And अभी
But really, yeah, you would.
I love my goddess. वो तो मेरे लिए भगवान लगती है, माधुरी मैम.
सब लोग है ना, स्पेशली जो हमारी हीरोइने है ना, हाँ, एक्ट्रेसेस, मतलब दे गो वीक इन द नीज व्हेन दे सी माधुरी मैम.
मैं तो कितने सालों से बोलती आई हूँ, शी इज माई गॉडेस. और मैं उनके गानों पे डांस करना सीखा है. मैंने एक्सप्रेशन भी उन्हीं के गानों से सीखा है, उन्हें देख के सीखा है. वो है मेरे लिए वो भगवान. आई डोंट, मुझे पहले ऐसा लगता था इट्स सच अ बिग थिंग, बोलू नहीं बोलू, बट आई डोंट केयर, मैं तो बोल देती हूँ. शी इज so pure, she's very beautiful, she's inside out beautiful soul.
Really, that's so true, so true. She and Joy Chawla right now. For me, these two are like epitome of क्या बोलते हैं, innocence.
True, very true. I agree.
हाय. अच्छा सुन, have you ever kissed on screen?
कांच के ऊपर किया ना,
किसके ऊपर?
बिग बॉस में एक उड़ी उड़ी दिया था.
वो कांच के बीच में,
हाँ, बीच में
वो
कांच
किस था?
हाँ, तो आई डिड नो किस.
इतना वाहियात, इतना घटिया.
तो ऐसे
छी.
पैक मैंने बहुत दिए है.
नहीं. Have you on screen done a lip to lip?
Never.
तो आगे अगर कोई डिजिटल शो हो या कोई फिल्म हो, will Rashmi Desai be open to something like that? Will she be okay? Will she be comfortable?
See, I don't see that कि प्यार, मोहब्बत, गुस्सा, नफरत, murder, crime, criminal thought or personality. I go with the subject. My subject has to be a hero. If I saw Vidya Balan nahi has different kind of a personality, but उन्होंने I forgot that film का नाम, that we all
इसमें
यार Ulala song यार.
Ulala, yeah, that's right. Yeah.
What's the name of that film? You see her, she has gone out of her comfort zone and she played what a lovely character it is.
But you know what? As Indians, we have this preconceived notion, guys and girls, actors and actresses, के screen पे kiss नहीं करेंगे, intimacy नहीं करेंगे. You know, whereas that is part of our culture.
I'm a photo,
not culture, it is part of our as a part of our upbringing as an actor. You know that you are in that mold.
Yeah, I don't openly say that I'm comfortable doing it and all, but sometimes what happens, like I said, that what if I'm doing someone else's biopic? And
yeah,
it is not me who's doing it. I am an actress. I am trying to emote emotion and trying to show that personality in a different way. And how can I be so selfish? I can just think about me. It can be the other way also. What my co-actor is not comfortable, and we find the solution for it.
अरे one fan ऐसा audacious explore नाम है, dirty picture का नाम था.
Oh yeah, man. Whoa.
Yeah, thank you so much. But somebody is asking, are you related to Prachi Desai?
No, I'm not relative, but we're Desai. But she's different Desai. I'm different Desai. I think she's Vaishnav.
भाई मेरा भी एक दोस्त है बिराज देसाई. इसका मतलब ये सारे देसाई friends होते हैं.
Desai is a Brahmin, Desai is a Vaishnav, Desai is a Punjabi and Marathi, Gujarati, Marwadis also.
देसाई मारवाड़ी भी होते हैं? क्या बात कर रही है?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know this. अच्छा, who are your closest friends in the industry?
Ankita, Bharat, he's a writer, and very, very close if you're asking me, then Ankita, I'm the closest.
Ankita Lokhande?
Yes.
Oh.
She knows in and out about me, and she's like my box.
She is your twin actually.
Yeah,
huh?
And best is like Ankita. There's a girl Manali. She's a designer. Manali.
Oh, of course, Jagtap.
Yes.
She is a cutie pie. Of course, I know her for so long. Right, so she's such a sweetie. Such a sweetie.
Shravita is there.
ऐसी कौन सी अजीब चीज है, something weird, a weird thing that a fan has done for you?
Weird thing, मतलब बहुत टाइम हो गया now that the पिछले कुछ सालों से इजी हो गया था. बहुत अजीब सा ये लगता था कि person used to stalk me everywhere and person knew that where I'm going, where I'm traveling. खाना होटल में क्या ऑर्डर किया वो
What?
तक पता था. Yeah.
You're kidding me.
So मैं बहुत डर गई थी उसके बाद. तो मैं I used to do Uttaran then. So that person started sending chocolates and bouquets on my shooting set. So मैं बहुत डर गई थी. उसके बाद then I started keeping
वहाँ तक
little.
ठीक है, चलो गिफ्ट विफ्ट भेजे, फिर स्टॉकिंग becomes a little
वो
scary.
बोलता है कि I was just taking care of you. I don't want any problems happening. मैंने बोला भाई मुझे सब दूसरों का तो नहीं पता, तू पक्का करेगा.
Man, that is crazy. But ऐसा, did he ever follow you home in the night or anything like
In a
that?
nicer way, what he meant was right. He was trying to, but I didn't know who was the person and why. What was the interest out of it? So प्यार से I said and then did complaints and all. So then he stopped beautifully saying sorry also. Letter
Oh,
वेटर
that's
कुछ
nice.
भेजा था set पे saying sorry का.
ऐसे लोगों से दूर ही रहो. We don't want another Kabir Singh happening.
Oh my God, no.
थप्पड़ पड़ जाए फिर वापस 2 चांटे तू मारे उसे. It becomes a violent love story.
Yeah.
But how
बेख्याली
do
सीधा होगा,
you
बेहोशी 2 होगा फिर वो.
Absolutely. कहते हैं ना कि हम लोग 30 दिन एक अंदर घर में नहीं बैठ सकते, लेकिन सालों तक एक टॉक्सिक रिलेशन में हम घुसे रहेंगे.
So true. Whatever you said is so right. That sentence has a lot of meaning. The sentence has a lot of thoughts, but people still don't have guts to take the right decision for themselves because वो ना जिम्मेदारियों के मारे है वो लोग. You can't blame
मतलब
those
तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि what must be going on in their mind when they
जिम्मेदारियों
cannot
के
come out
मारे
of
हैं
it?
लोग. एक सेकंड ना. Sorry, I was taking Oreo on my lap. तो उन्हें भी एक सपोर्ट की जरूरत है. Maybe they don't have that faith. Maybe they don't have that confidence. And if they have confidence, they have faith. They don't have backup.
That is true. You know, हमें हमेशा लगता है कि we need backup, we need plan B, we need somebody to fall upon.
Very true.
But
And that is the reason. But once I would just say those people, see, relationship, I don't advise people कि आप रिश्ते में से निकल जाओ because that is someone's very personal choice and it should be that way so that किसी के बोलने पे आप कभी मत करो. Do right.
a lot of people
what you
asking
feel is right.
who are you in touch with from Big Boss?
Who am I in touch with? Big Boss. Everyone
Yeah.
messages me. Call होता है, कभी-कभी video call भी कर लेते हैं.
That's
So,
nice.
yeah.
That's amazing. Like barring one
No,
or
KV,
two.
I have realized end of the season, you keep things inside your heart, your growth is not there.
Seriously, सही बात है.
Somewhere you really need to understand and calm down yourself. You really need to have that personal growth in you. That okay, you forgive someone, that's a choice. You forget things, that is also a choice. But to create a limit, that is also again a choice. So when you want to continue, create your limit, your respect, where you stand, you need to understand and realize, and then move on.
That's true. You know what? We don't have to make best friends with everybody, but we need to be on good terms till the other person does not screw up with your mind or your life or your, whatever. Does not disrespect you.
Right.
Till then, it's fine. And if the person who disrespected you, if he apologizes, I think you should be big enough to forgive and move ahead and look for a better future, man. Seriously, that's so true. बहुत सही कहा तुमने.
Thank you.
मजा आ गया, मजा. Seriously, good fun chat.